As you all know, landlord have said that I should hand over my caretakership to Mr. Azu. That I'm no more the caretaker. That Mr. Azu is now the new caretaker. So, these are the receipts and the record of all the things that we have been doing, both all the contribution and the electricity bill and everything. From today, anybody that wants to do anything should not come to me again. People should be going to Mr. Azu because he's now the new caretaker. Mr. Azu, as you can see, this is a record of everything that we have been doing in this compound. These are receipts, and I'm handing it over to him officially. You people have succeeded now in making Mr. Azu the new caretaker. So, I take my leave.
My friend, will you come back here and sit down? I said you should sit down. Sit down. Sit down there until I see what I'm looking for. Where do you think you are going to? Oh, you just want to give me a file and walk out. Listen, for information, I must audit this very file. Sit down there, my friend. Meanwhile, I can't find the receipts of your house rent since you became the caretaker in this compound. Where is it?
Caretaker don't used to pay house rent.
Huh?
As caretaker, I don't used to pay house rent. That's why my receipt is not there.
Okay, very good. I agree with you, caretaker used to pay house rent. Now, as a new caretaker of this compound, I want all the money they've been owing for house rent in this compound since you became the caretaker. Right from the day you became the caretaker in this compound, you provide the money, your house rent. 1 naira, 50 kobo, we not go out from it.
Caretaker don't used to do the caretaker.
Wait. Mark, you have to obey the new caretaker. Mr. Azu here is the new caretaker, and he has asked you to provide the receipt. You provide it. Please, I don't want to hear you say anything. Please provide it and obey him.
Best 10, hold your peace. Look at you, the same people. Meanwhile, that one is, by the way, as a new caretaker, I have my new rules here in this book to guide all of you. I want my rules to be a guide to all of you who is living in my compound, especially you. And anyone who is not ready to abide by my rules and regulations should be ready to have me in contest. I am talking to you directly. You should be ready to have me in contest. Rule number 1. Once you leave this compound after 7 p.m., don't come back to this compound again. And for those of you that have formed the habit of going to your mother's house or your auntie's house or your brother's house, you go and pack your brother's children as if there's something we are doing in the compound. You pack them and bring them here. I'm sorry for you. If the old caretaker can take it, me, Mr. Azu cannot take it. I'm talking, yes, Mimi, I'm talking to you. This one Mila, I don't know what you're calling her Mila. She has stayed in this compound for more than 2 weeks. Unless you come up and tell us it's your child. That is when we can understand. But the she said it's not your child, go and return her. She cannot be going around in the compound, moving come everywhere. If I see this girl in this compound, tomorrow, you pay the sum of 2,500 for extra accommodation. You will tell me if here is a hotel. Nonsense. I am talking, you are doing who? Why, Yoncha? Look at me, I'm talking to you, look at me. You see, you must stop the habit of bringing men to this compound. You see the way you are changing men as if you are changing rapper? Big Tommy enter, fat Tommy enter, S5 Tommy enter. It will not happen again. I am the new caretaker. If you want a man, go and bring a man on Characha. Bring a nice man. Bring him and introduce him to your caretaker. Say, caretaker, this is my boyfriend or this is my man friend. And anybody keeping late night in this compound, it will end now. Wait. Besten, who told you to laugh when I'm talking? No, Besten, so you have got to laugh when I'm talking. Or you stand up. Come on, stand up from that place, my friend. Stand up there. It's yours. Your hands up. Come on, raise your hands up. Now, hold your ears. Let me tell you something. Hold your ears. From now onwards, you become the errand boy in this compound. Listen to me. You be in charge of that gate. Anytime you do not go to work, you go to the gate and stay. When they want to do meeting, you bring out chairs and sweep the compound. You be in charge of buying fuel, mind you, with your own money to be pumping water in this compound. Come on, hold your ears, my friend. Hold your ears. Carry your hand up. Hold your ears. Carry your hand up. Rubbish. Now, there's one thing I want to say again. Anybody who is cooking in his or her house should mind her he cook or she cook. Because any that will be in my room again and somebody will be cooking and the smell of the food will enter inside my room. That day I will come to your house, I will hijack the food, I will kidnap the food, I will take it straight to my room. Either you belly with 3,000 naira or I will eat the food. Hey. Did anybody say hey? No, listen, no. If you're in a meeting and anybody say hey, the person will pay the sum of 1,000 naira. Did you hear me?
But Mr. Azu?
Did you call me Mr. Azu? Wait. Did you call me Mr. Azu? Now let me send this as a warning to all of you. From now henceforth, my name is Honorable Caretaker Azu. If anyone open his or her gutter to call me Azu, the person will pay the sum of 3,000 naira. And you now let me warn you straight. Let there not be any day we'll have a meeting and you open your mouth to talk if you are not permitted. I mean, if I did not permit you, you will not talk in a meeting. You don't even open your mouth to talk when men are talking. You don't open your mouth to talk when men are talking. If you want to talk in a meeting, 2 days before the meeting, you write a letter to me and wait for me to approve it. I will look into it to know what you want to say if it is for the betterment of this yard or not. Meanwhile, I think I've listed my rules and regulations in this compound. If you don't like it, you can come for your quick notice. It's ready for anybody who is not comfortable with my rules and regulation.
Mr. Azu.
Why, your child? Did you call me Mr. Azu? Wait, you call me Mr. Azu? Besen, oh yeah, go and lock her door. Go and lock her door and bring the key for me. Go and lock her door and bring the key for me. I'm not here. Go and lock her door and bring the key for me. I think this is what I'll be doing to everybody in this compound. When you talk, when you talk nonsense or you ask anything, I will lock your door. And when you want to collect the key to your door, you pay me the sum of 3,000 naira. Nonsense.
Caretaker. Sorry, can we enter our house?
Enter where? Am I done with you? Just try me.
Can we enter our house? My Ocha, he has not said meeting is over.
Yeah, we'll pack out, oh. You cannot cope with this kind of thing, oh. Tell my husband, I'll pack out. We'll pack out.
It's a dream. It's a dream. It's a dream. It's a dream. Mr. Azu caretaker in my compound. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. Mr. Azu caretaker in my compound. Hey! Yeah, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they pointing? What are you people pointing?
Caretaker.
What are you people pointing?
Wait.
Mr. Azu, what are you pointing in my compound? Mr. Azu, what are you pointing in my compound?
Caretaker, wait.
Mr. Azu, you're wearing the same clothes. Mr. You're wearing the same clothes. Everybody's wearing the same clothes, Mr. Azu, why? No, Mr. Azu, why? Mr. Azu, please leave my compound. Mr. Azu should leave my compound.
No, we're talking about the fence.
Mr. Azu want to take it. Mr. Azu, leave my compound. We will suffer. You see this compound, we will suffer, Mr. Azu should leave. Mr. Azu should leave, Mr. Azu, Mr. Azu, you cannot be caretaker. He wants to kill us. He wants to kill us. He will suffer us. He wants to suffer us. Mr. Azu, you will leave my compound. You leave my compound. Mr. Azu will leave my compound. Leave me. I will kill you. You leave my compound. Leave my compound.
You kill somebody.
Mr. Azu, leave my compound. Mr. Azu, leave my compound. 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 You leave my compound. Leave my compound. You give me here. You give me here. Give me. Thanks for watching that Makenje TV Vine. See you next Friday. Please, if you have watched this video now, go to Makenje Comedy and go and watch Makenje Comedy video. We have also uploaded Makenje Comedy video. If you don't see it, know that it is going to come in the next less than 30 minutes. Remember that tomorrow, which is Saturday, we are going to upload Mr. Lawansin Family Show. Please always come to this channel and watch Mr. Lawansin Family Show, and also watch our Vines, and go to our other channel and watch. There's a new channel, it's called Makenje Show. We are going to start uploading a new series in that channel. I promise you, you are going to like the series. You're going to like it. New stuffs are coming out, so please always be on this channel for information. Look up our stories so that the community tab, so that you can know where to go and what to watch at what time to watch them. See you next Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free in this channel. All you need to do is just click the subscription button and turn on the notification button. It is free. Nobody's charging you to do that. Thank you for also always supporting us. Thank you. Please let us get this Makenje TV channel to 1 million subscribers. Please, let's see if we can do it before January or February in 2021. Please call your friends, tell your friends. Let us, anytime you watch a video here, share it. If you don't share it, other people will not see it. So it is your share and like that we are using to reach other people, so that as you have laughed or you have enjoyed the video and have been blessed, other people also will be blessed. Remember, no matter what you do, remember that Jesus is Lord forever. See you next Friday.